The Great East Japan Earthquake was the most powerful quake to ever hit Japan. It struck off the Tohoku coast in March 2011. Thousands of people lost their lives or were injured. Hundreds went missing. The earthquake triggered a massive tsunami. It flooded coastal cities and villages and swept almost 5 million tons of material into the ocean. 1 year later, tsunami debris began arriving on the coast of North America and Hawaii. It was covered in living marine plants and animals. That's why the Japanese government decided to fund a project called ADRIFT through PICES, the North Pacific Marine Science Organization. Concerned about the impacts from debris, researchers from Canada, Japan, and the United States set out to find answers to these questions. Were non-native species hitching rides on tsunami debris to North America and Hawaii? And could any of these species invade and harm local ecosystems? ADRIFT was able to study marine debris under unique conditions. Rarely do scientists know where debris has come from or when it began its journey. But researchers knew exactly where and when tsunami debris entered the ocean and, for the first time, were able to track debris over long distances. They developed and used advanced techniques to chart its path across the ocean, giving us a better understanding of where things lost at sea might travel. So, what did ADRIFT discover? When a large floating dock washed ashore in Oregon, scientists were astounded. It looked like a Japanese Noah's Ark, carrying hundreds of living marine species. Scientists thought coastal species could not survive in an open ocean. Yet Japanese species were living on debris and even reproducing at sea, some for more than 6 years. What else did the research show? An extraordinary amount of debris was carried from Japan. More is still afloat and may continue to arrive in the years to come. Over time, ADRIFT identified more than 300 Japanese species carried by debris. Many widely known marine invaders were among them. But, so far, no new invasions of local ecosystems have been detected. And finally, does tsunami debris increase the chance of invasions by non-native species? ADRIFT found that greater threats may come from elsewhere, when species hitch rides on commercial ships, for example, or other types of transport. Yet high-risk species remain a concern for coastal ecosystems. That's why ADRIFT produced a top 10 watch list and wants to see monitoring continue. These important discoveries are changing our understanding of ocean ecosystems. Along with this new scientific knowledge, ADRIFT created a number of long-lasting products for scientists and the public. A collection of Japanese marine debris specimens at the Royal British Columbia Museum in Victoria, BC. The PICES database of Japanese tsunami debris species, available online. The first comprehensive collection of aerial photographs for British Columbia and the Hawaiian Islands, also online. For more information on ADRIFT science and products, visit www.pices.int.